Triangle, yeah, let's do triangle. Oh, we can.
Well, I can still eat.
Yeah, we can eat these guys.
Okay, I'm gonna have a snack.
For a bit longer? Or should I hold it down?
Oh, ah.
Oh, it feels much easier.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're done? Nope.
Oh.
Oh, we're done. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, it'll be on the inside anyways.
Yeah.
Oh. Is it good?
It is good.
What is it like a
Cooking show.
house kitchen?
Nice. Well,
You do it like this, it might watch the back. Because this is going to be facing outside.
oh, right. Okay. So,
This is why teams are stronger.
She's stressed.
I'm stressed.
Could this one be used on the top when we cut this?
Oh, yeah.
Then you don't have to.
Well, we'll melt the sugar to glue everything in place.
Oh, yeah.
Still
Sure.
needs to like. Wow. That's kind of perfect.
Oh, wow.
You're so big.
Oh, his beads are pink.
But also brown.
Oh my gosh.
I have a nail file. You can file it.
I really can't eat this.
No, I have like non-used nail file. Like,
Okay.
let me find. What do you have over there, Lillian?
Gingerbread piece.
It is on low.
I mean, with you. What's going on with you? What do you mean? You know what I mean. I know you. I know you better than anyone. This isn't you.
I'm done. Oh no. Oh, perfect.
No, it's fine.
Link.
Is it 90?
This way a little bit.
Way. Just don't burn yourself. Ah? Yeah. Oh wait. Oh. The sides aren't really stuck.
Maybe two.
Is that a mushroom? No.
It's tough.
Oh, he's living in the box. Oh, sleep in there.
He's doing that because he loves you.
It's air. We do need someone can.
I think it's very, very hard to get stiff cakes with just a hand. Or
It's
just
not really that bad. Like with egg yolk, you can do it.
It's gonna be fuse tea. They're gonna replace Link.
What tea?
Fuse. It's like a European one that they use. Link. Link. Oh, that's a perfect shot, Link.